Composite materials are everywhere in modern marine engineering. They make possible lighter structures, efficient production, high-performance components, and complex repairs. But for many professionals and students, composites still feel like a black box, full of unfamiliar terminology, manufacturing choices, design constraints, and practical details that are easy to underestimate. This course is designed to change that. Composite Materials 1 is the first level of a two-level learning path. In this first phase, you will build a practical and professional foundation in how composites are actually used in the marine industry. We begin with the essentials: what composite materials are made of, how their components work together, how manufacturing processes affect the final result, and how to understand the terminology and datasheets used in real projects. From there, the course moves into the decisions that really matter in practice: how to select suitable materials and processes, how composites are produced, and how to approach mold design and requirement definitions for serious production. You will explore topics such as reference surfaces, the molding strategy, mold divisions, technical trenches, operational features like pressure or durability, and mold structures. By the end of the course, the target is not simply that you know more terms. It is that you can look at composite components, a production process, a repair situation, or a technical discussion and understand what is happening, what matters, and what questions need to be asked. If you work in design, manufacturing, inspection, or repair, or if you want to enter the field with a much stronger technical base, this course will give you the base to do that with confidence. And because this is level 1, it also prepares you for the next phase of the learning journey. So if you want composites to stop feeling abstract and start feeling usable, I invite you to join me in Composite Materials 1.